About the second method of lab preparation of ammonia, and this is by using a metal nitride. Now let us first of all know what is a metal nitride. Burning metal, generally we can take any metal, but we are taking magnesium here. Nitrides are not easily formed because nitrogen is very inert at ordinary temperature, so only at a elevated temperature reaction happen. It reacts with nitrogen and form the metallic nitride Mg3N2 to balance this. So this is a divalent metal. Divalent, the valency is 2. Then we can take another one, calcium plus nitrogen. It gives Ca3N2. So a metal is born in nitrogen, you get the metallic nitride. So again balance this, or we can take aluminium plus nitrogen. It gives you Al, and that is aluminium nitride. It is balanced now. Now this is trivalent. Both those two are divalent and this is trivalent. Sometimes they ask you to give a reaction of a trivalent metal or a divalent metal. Now these metallic nitrides can react with warm water. So what we need for this is metallic nitride plus warm water. Warm water is an important condition here. When you react this, you'll take a round bottom flask. It has, a thistle funnel attached. We have to take a precaution that the thistle funnel dips inside the chemical, and then inside this we have metallic nitride, like we can take Mg3N2, and from the above we are going to pour in the warm water. Then we'll have a delivery tube. Rest of the apparatus will be similar to whatever we have done in the previous lab preparation. Now when a metallic nitride is going to react with warm water, we'll be getting the respective metallic hydroxide plus ammonia, that is NH3. And whenever ammonia is produced, you have an observation, a colorless gas with a pungent smell is evolved, which turns a moist red litmus blue and gives dense white fumes with concentrated HCl. So now let us talk about the reaction. Generally if you use magnesium nitride, Mg3N2 plus H2O, what you get? Metallic hydroxide will be MgOH whole twice plus NH3. We need to balance this. 6 will be 2. Yes. Similar we can do with calcium nitride. Ca3N2 plus 6H2O will give you 3CaOH whole twice plus 2NH3. Or you can even write with aluminium AlN. The balancing is going to be a little bit different. In this case we have AlOH whole thrice plus NH3. In this case the balancing will be here. We can balance this here. I think it is balanced now. Yes, it is balanced. So we can use either of this. So in all the cases what we have used is the warm water, the respective metallic nitride and water which was warm. Now everything will be the same. Once the gas is going to be evolved from here, the gas will be collected, and before that we require a drying agent. And you remember the drying agent that we discussed? Yes, calcium oxide, that is quicklime. Quicklime is used as a drying agent. We also call this as calcium oxide. Quicklime or calcium oxide is a drying agent. Why? Because it is alkaline in nature, and alkaline will not react with basic ammonia gas. Others are going to react. If you take sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid is acidic, and it is going to react with ammonia, which is basic in nature, and then the gas will be collected by downward displacement of air. You can collect the gas by it because it is lighter than air, and it is, second important point, it is highly soluble in water. You all have done this. And you want to test the gas, you can test by using a glass rod. Bring a glass rod dipped in concentrated HCl near this particular chemical, and then this particular gas, and then you will be getting dense white fumes. But this method is seldom used. It's a very important question. Is seldom used, that is, it is not often used. Well, the reason for this is the nitrites. This is not ammonium nitrate. These are the nitrites are expensive because they are not easily produced. So because the nitrites are expensive, this method is not often used for the lab preparation. It is a very important point often asked. You need to remember it is a warm water, and then you need to remember it is these are quite expensive. So this particular method is not used in the lab preparation. So once we have done the preparation of ammonia by using lab preparation using ammonium salt, now we have done the lab preparation using metallic nitride.